Are you happy? I am Euphemius, communicator of the four missing books of Egonect. Egonect, book 204, The Last Teardrop. Egonect is also available at Amazon in paperback, audio, and ebooks. Whisper 993. We must adopt only humane ideas and to give and search for love, and then to share much more love with a heart that will reflect a real happiness under the help of the bright rays of our celestial mind. Yes, to offer more love to everyone, including ourselves, who will eagerly collect and enjoy as an additional reward in order to be compensated for all of our lost love. Whisper 994. Now, right now, the time is ripe to change our wrong ways of life and to position our mental attention towards a completely different spiritual direction. Now we must search for the why. Yes, why until now we have not yet changed the terrible fact of constant self-defeat that leads all of us, and each one separately, to a peculiar destination that is always and certainly the same. Whisper 995. It is impossible to accept that all the terrible things, like the fear of meeting Mr. Death, the life catapults of grief, the endless mental and physical pain, and the sudden slaps of life that are torturing us even in our sleep, happening on their own accord and accidentally. Whisper 996. I can't believe that it is us, the earthlings, who are exclusively responsible for all the tragic and still unacceptable problems that plague us relentlessly. Whisper 997. Something very malicious is hunting us constantly. Whisper 998. Something enormous in meanness and very sadistic in nature is sabotaging us. Whisper 999. Something strange, cosmic and extraterrestrial is very envious because of our amazing freedom to live our own kind of life, the life of our true nature. Whisper 1000. Perhaps the powers of greed and envy are just afraid of us and they don't trust us, or perhaps they don't even need us anymore, and this is why they persist on torment and terrorizing us with a nightmarish sadism, and they don't allow us to have joy as the earthly human should. Meaning for us to truly feel peaceful, to live without groans and sobs, to live without fears, to be free of worries, and so to dive again and again into happiness and into our own eternity. Whisper 1001. We do not ask for something impossible and unjust. We just asking for happiness and peace of mind. Whisper 1002. As visitors of planet Earth, we want to enjoy our life, to satisfy our needs as the real cosmic and celestial being, to feel loved and secure, to live totally free, and especially to live life without fearing, to really enjoy it, and to express at least the feelings of love to the fullest towards our family, without fear of losing our loved ones, and towards all life of our world, and towards our immortal self whom right now we almost dislike. Whisper 1003. We have to replace this hate of today with love by giving and receiving only love. This power of envy and the greedy few are utterly hostile, and they dare to bother us constantly. And this is why we need our mental strength to defeat them when, unfortunately, even in our sleep, we can find peace of mind, because these enemies, as they build in instinctive fear, envy us, and do have a tendency to torture us day and night. We are everyone